enter administrator authorization. 1. Create new user. 2. Please enter user ID. Operation succeed. Please enter the secret key. Please enter again. Operation succeed. 1. Enroll. Please enter the secret key. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. Operation succeed. 1. Enroll. Please enter the secret key. Operation succeed. 1. Enroll on finger. Password or part. 2. Enroll. Please look directly at the camera. Degrees slightly to the right. Please turn 15 degrees slightly to the left. Please bow your head a little. Please rise your head a little. Operation succeed. Please enter administrator authorization.